Hey guys, and welcome back to my channel. So today I am cleaning out my fridge and I thought I should invite you guys along with me and show you guys what it is that's in my fridge. So let's go on ahead and do this. This video was actually inspired by Jen from 1,000 Words. I saw her cleaning out her fridge and I was like, you know what? I need to clean my fridge, especially because I was defrosting chicken and it made a big mess in there. But this is pretty much what my fridge looks like right now. It's a pretty small one, which is great for us because there's just 3 of us. We don't need all that much stuff. So it should be fairly easy to clean it out, or at least I thought. But let's go ahead and get started. Alright, first things first, I went ahead and I removed everything out of this fridge. This video might be a little bit delayed with the talking, but I cleaned out everything because I wanted to almost deep clean the fridge. This is what it looks like when it's empty. I took everything out and this is exactly what I'm talking about when I say that chicken made a big mess. I forgot to put it on a plate, so there was just bloody mess everywhere. So this is what it looks like. This is the before. Let's go ahead and start cleaning. I basically just took off all of those fridge dividers, I'm not sure what you call it, the glass ones, as well as the ones on the door, because I wanted to make sure that I get to every single corner in the fridge, and I'm glad I did because some of the things we didn't even need. We had sauces, medicine, juices and meal, veggies, cheese and gherkins, kind of leftover food, and cheese. The cleaning part was pretty basic. All I did was get some handy dandy with some warm water and of course a cloth, which I used to rub around the edges and all the corners just to make sure that I get to those tiny little hidden corners in there. And that's exactly what I did. I washed it inside, at the bottom, of course on the door, and on the edges, because there's no point in having a clean fridge inside while the edges are not so clean. Here we have a nicely cleaned out fridge. I swear I could live in this. It's so perfect. Then I moved on over to wash those fridge dividers that I took out earlier, just to make sure that I don't take back the mess that was in the fridge back inside the clean fridge. And I just pretty much washed them with soapy water, rinsed them out, and I wiped them clean. And then I just quickly wiped out all of those things that I took out from the fridge, just to make sure that they're also very clean before I put them back inside the fridge. At least some of them, because not all of them actually made it back into the fridge. And then the fun part began, where I had to now put everything back into the fridge. I can't tell you guys just how excited I was to get to this part, because I was already so darn tired when it got to this point. But yeah, now I'm just putting back everything exactly where it's supposed to be, and I'm packing them back into the fridge. I really hope that you guys enjoyed watching this video. I am so happy with how the fridge is looking right now. It's absolutely perfect. I went and took some more eggs from the fridge in our bedroom. But yeah, I rearranged everything. Sauces on one level, juices on one level, the Sprites on one level, and all the leftover foods on another. But go ahead and give this video a thumbs up if you enjoyed watching, and I'll catch you guys later. Bye guys.